Welcome back everyone, Mike here. I had every intention on putting together like a really nice video to kind of wish everybody a Merry Christmas, but it is December 23rd today, and I'm getting ready to blow some leaves in the yard, so that tells you how far I am behind this year. Also, I need to haul some stone from up here down to the brick house. I had another triaxle load delivered up here the other day. With all this mud and rain, it's just non-stop this year. My stone budget is way out of whack. I never get this much stone in a year. I would have had that load dumped down at the brick house, but just about 2 weeks ago they paved the road in front of that house and it came out really nice. And although it's like a local delivery and all that, and I would be allowed to do it, I didn't want to be the first guy to run a triaxle down there, you know, 72,000 pounds, and bust up the new asphalt. It came out really well, but that road is always problems. I don't know what the deal is. Several years ago they actually soil stabilized it, full depth restoration. I don't know if you know what that is. We use it at work quite often. What that is, it's like a huge rototiller, grinds everything up. Sometimes they'll even grind the old asphalt up, the sub base, and they mix cement with it, and it's kind of solidifies it, makes it really hard, and you pave over top of it again. We have really good results at work when we do that, and it held up for about a year or two down there and it kind of fell apart again, but this time it came out really nice. So I'm gonna haul from up here just with a little dump trailer so I don't bust up the road. Probably would have been all right, but I didn't want to take that chance. So this is a stone I just hauled down to the brick house. This is 2B limestone, which it's about 1.5 inch clean limestone. I've got some muddy spots on the driveway, a couple little drains that I fixed up. Water will kind of run through this. Kind of works as a base rock if it's not too bad. You know, if you've got real muddy conditions, you definitely want something bigger than this. And over there on the other side, I still have about 6 or 7 tons of 2A limestone left over there. That'll go on my driveway up here and a few other places around the chicken coop, things like that. Here comes Mrs. Santa Claus. I guess that's Mrs. Claus. Your hat's a little big.
Yeah. Santa has a bigger head than I do.
Well, I got a few things done this afternoon, not a whole lot. But we're going to be taking a couple days off here. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. You probably won't see any videos for a few days. But it's been an exciting year. We've had a lot of fun doing this. I can't believe just how everything has evolved over the last year. You know, I sit around and I complain about the weather all the time and think I don't get anything done. And but when you look back, you know, and see what you accomplished, you kind of realize that probably shouldn't be, you know, complaining so much, and you just have to deal with things when they come up. And that's what we try to do. But we've had a really good year, and we're really thankful for everybody, you know, all the viewers and everybody that comments. There's so many of you that have been here from the very beginning. I mean, I feel like we're, you know, I've known you for years, but the same people comment. We have new people coming in every day, and it's just a really nice group of people that are kind of into the same things we are. I would rather, you know, be out here working outside, and you'd rather be out here than doing pretty much anything else. I think we mentioned before about our son Hunter. Hunter would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. You want to hold that up in front of the camera?
What's that say? It says Merry Christmas. Just something we crafted this afternoon.
Yeah. So we both stay really busy with the YouTube channel and our real jobs and the kids and everything else. But you may or may not know this, but like our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans, and the Instagram, Melissa kind of takes care of all that. She's also usually the one responding to all like your emails and the Facebook messages and all that.
And thanks very much for reaching out to us. We get a lot of positive messages and comments and questions. Thanks for being patient till we can get back to you. It's been great to be a part of this community, have so much in common. I feel like in many cases I've known you guys for years. And here in Pittsburgh we say yins.
Yins, yeah. We're yinsers.
Yinsers. And
I guess down south it's what, you all?
Yeah.
And around here it's yins, Y-I-N-Z.
Yeah.
But anyway, like we always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.